Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on your Mac. To change your username, go to Settings, which you can also access by clicking on the Apple logo in top left corner, then System Settings. Then go to Users and Groups, and now select the user that you want to change the name of. I'm gonna select this one. Click on the icon here, and now to change the username, just change it here. I'm gonna just delete this space here and click on OK. And now I'll need to enter the password of my admin and click on enter. And now it's changed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.